JP Morgan expects silver to average approximately $81 per ounce, citing strong industrial demand, ongoing supply deficits, and growing investor interest. Goldman Sachs believes silver could trade between $85 and $100 per ounce. Citigroup projects silver could reach approximately $110 per ounce. Bank of America has issued one of the most bullish outlooks, outlining a scenario where silver could potentially trade between $135 and $309 per ounce if precious metals enter a major bull market and the gold to silver ratio compresses toward historical averages. ING forecasts silver averaging around $78 per ounce. Metals Focus believes silver could potentially test $100 per ounce. And according to Reuters' latest survey of leading commodity analysts, the median forecast suggests silver could average around $80 per ounce during 2026. While no prediction is guaranteed, it's noteworthy that many respected analysts continue to expect substantially higher silver prices over time.